Hello, how are you?
That's my market manager.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Okay, let's take a look. Let's see. This is our 250 liter. 250. Because the one you bought is maybe this one. That is a 75 liter. So this is maybe double with more. We can put two baskets instead of one basket.
Right.
For one basket.
Okay.
But double that means.
Let's get the more solutions. Okay, so the thing is, okay, why sometimes it damages when we are in the bottoms? Just that basically everything was good, but sometimes it's
This is the processing factory. So we bought 250 liter machines from our factory. We are using the 66 degree to cook for beef a long time, slow cook. This is the new machine. And the basket inside. This is without push back inside. Another one. 60 table 50.
Cooking the beef.